Come on, man, you can go. Don't wait for the frickin' traffic to come from that red light there. Come on, go. Dummy. Now all that frickin' traffic's gonna go and she wants to go now. I should have went around her to the right. Okay, today we're not getting on the Can-Am Ryker Sport. We're gonna get on that Yamaha XT250 over there. I just got a taste and a lust the last few weeks for the XT250. It's great to fall in love with a motorcycle all over again, because that's what's happening. I gotta take my laptop computer back to work because my telework days are over. I've been lucky teleworking. I have teleworked since March of 2020 when COVID-19 began, and now it's September 21st, 2022, and I go back to work tomorrow. It's not to say that I've never gone in the office for anything. There have been meetings here and there, but not very often.
And I was one of the lucky few who did not catch COVID-19.
And I plan on riding this thing to work in the morning. The only problem going to work in the morning is that I gotta leave about 7, and it is still dark around 7. Come on, man, you can go. Don't wait for the frickin' traffic to come from that red light there. Come on, go. Dummy. Now all that frickin' traffic's gonna go and she wants to go now. I should have went around her to the right. But I'm not going to change lanes through the intersection. That's my golden rule. One of them anyway, when I'm out riding, is that I change lanes during an intersection. Forgot my phone at home too. So if I get in a crash and I'm laying there dying, nobody will be able to make a call on my telephone. Itchy nose. Watch out for this car so you don't try to make a left in front of me. I'm going to slide on over here to the right because I know that the speedometer on this motorcycle, it says I'm going 40, it's probably going 34. It's that far off, like 6 miles per hour. Coming through here with these cars protects me from that car. Get out of this car's blind spot for now. Now when I get up here towards the highway, I'm going to just stay in the slow lane, and I'm not going to take it over like 60 miles an hour because all I got to do is take the very first exit. I was in 5th gear and didn't know it. I tried to upshift there. There we are. All set. Back outside we go. This is the lower end of the spectrum, Yamaha XT250, and a Harley Davidson. I would have to say that that is, what's it say here? Tri-Glide, 103 cubic inches. That's pretty nice. Here we go. So we're going to get on out of here, and we're going to try to go a fancy way through this brick wall here. I mean, why not? Let's go through the brick wall. It's not dark enough yet, but I'd say about another 30 minutes along this road, the deer will start coming out. So I'm going to be cautious. There's a little lake up a road here right now that I'm going to go to. Where is this road? Here it is. Cattle guard. The following are prohibited: swimming, motorboats, littering, releasing live bait, operating vehicles alongside shoreline. So I can't take it up along the shoreline, but I can take it up there. But that's a pretty nice little pond. It's shallow. It's all dried up because of the mean summer we've had. You could see here where the shoreline normally comes up to there, but it's way down there. There's a line across there. Can't go back there. Steer poop.